Hey there, this is Mike. Today I'm comparing two most popular termite treatments and show you which one is more effective and why. To illustrate this with concrete examples, I'm using two specific products on the market. The termite stakes is shown on the left and the liquid product Taurus SC on the right. Let's look at the first product. The termite stake represents one popular termite treatment on the market, the baiting system. So the way it works is to set the bait inside of this tube with chemicals. Once the termites started consuming the bait, the chemical will kill the whole colony over time. The second product, Taurus SC, represents another popular termite treatment on the market, the barrier system. It's the same as Termitor. It's used to treat the soil around the house with another type of chemical. Once termite is in contact with the chemical, they would also pass it along to other termites, and eventually it kills the whole colony as well. So conceptually, both sound great. Now we need to look behind the curtain and find out which treatment is more effective. The chemical in the termite stake is called hexafluomuron. This chemical doesn't kill the termite right away, but it works by stopping the termite's growth. So it actually only works on the immature termites, which is usually about 20% of the termite colony. The mature termites are not affected, but they will die eventually after several years. So for this chemical to work, the whole process may take 2 or more years to complete. The chemical in Taurus SC is called fipronil. It disrupts the termite central nerve system, but it's designed not to kill the termites right away. So they would pass it on to other termites and eventually kill the whole colony. The whole process could take 3 months or more, but definitely a lot faster than the baiting system. So from effective perspective, barrier system is the winner. Now let's look at the cost. The baiting system needs replacement every 12 months, assuming 3 years to complete. For a 2,500 square feet house, assuming 250 linear feet of the property, will need at least one stake every 10 feet. Given the price on the market, the estimated total cost is about $250. For the barrier system, it's claimed that one treatment could last up to 10 years. But there are also articles saying it's effective for about 3 to 7 years. Again, assuming 250 linear feet of the house, the estimated cost of the liquid is about $200. So the barrier system has a slight advantage. Overall, from cost perspective, we'll call it even. The last comparison we'll do is labor intensity. To install the bait system, it's pretty straightforward. Tools provided in the package. It can be used to drill a hole by hand, then just put in the stake. Again, we do need to put in the stake every 8 to 10 feet, so there's still some level of labor involved, but overall, it's low. The barrier system requires digging a 6 inches wide, 6 inches deep trench all the way along the house foundation. This could be a lot of hard work. It would also require mixing the chemicals with hundreds of gallons of water and treat the soil. So from labor intensity perspective, the baiting system is the winner. Now, which one is more effective termite treatment overall? If there are termite activities detected on or surrounding your property, the barrier system is your best choice. It treats the termite in a direct and tactical way and is very effective. It does require serious labor commitment. However, if you want to control the termite in your yard for the long term, without concerns of any immediate threat, the baiting system is the way to go, and it's pretty straightforward to install. Just keep in mind that the baiting system does require annual replacement. At last, let's also understand the limitation of each type of treatment. For the baiting system, it's proven to be effective through various research. And for example, the White House has a baiting system installed surrounding the property. However, the process may take a long time, even for the termites to start consuming the bait, Well, it doesn't stop the termite penetrating into the property during this process. For the barrier system, termite could still penetrate underneath the property through cracks in the slab and plumbing gaps. Also, if there's already a termite colony inside, it wouldn't help. Okay, we went through a lot of contents in a short amount of time. All the key takeaways can also be found at wikidiyWire.org. In the next set of videos, I'll show you how to install the baiting system and the barrier systems properly, as well as getting rid of the termite inside of your house. Hopefully, these videos will help you to keep your home free of termites.